as I tell you, after this process are created, right? You will see this message saying congratulations, your package has successful downloaded. And after that, you can go to your downloads and see it, for example, your zip with all the configurations you needed to install it, your application in your store. For example, here I have mine, right? My application, Android app, right? And the keys to be put it in the store or Play Store to Android. Here the asset links, right? The files, as I mentioned before. Okay, the asset links is used to be, for example, the keys to your application, right? So everything here, and with README, right? How to do it, right, guys? So after that, like I said, you can go, for example, your app, create one, right? This is only to test. And after that, create, select, okay, make some configurations, and so on, blah, 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 blah. And you can, after this, for example, go to your app and create one release, right? For example, testing, and create a new release. As you go to create a new release, you must put it your bundles dot file AAP. If I go here, I show we have on this file, we can put it there. And that file is our progressive web app to our to be shipped in our store, right? For example, I go here, you see it, and I put it up here. I have one, so I will receive an error, but I can show you that. So if I go to my apps, I have, for example, this one, and this is my app, right? This app is in review process by Google, right? So if I go to the Play Store, that is here unreviewed yet, but it's possible you see it everything about the app. Okay, and you can install the app in your Android device. Okay, this is one of mine. If I want, I can install it in that or this. Okay, so this is amazing, guys. Okay, make a quickly review. What we do it today? First, you see exactly what is a progressive web app and how to start. Right after that, see the PWA builder, how to package your app, and how to publish your app in Google Play console and so on, and see it in the store after the review. Your app will be deployed. And we see also what meanings PWA or progressive web apps, right? And of course, you have seen Continue.net as a progressive web app. In Continue.net, you can find a lot of blogs. In the blog section, you can find blog posts where I am writing about some things. And as I mentioned, if you want more or some things, you can contact me directly and I can answer to all your questions. You can put here where questions, or if you want, you can course, send me your thoughts and suggestions to be better. Okay, guys, bye bye and see you soon. And this is the video how to start in progressive web apps. Bye.